Friends, welcome you all to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 6, Triangles. In this session, we are going to discuss about the example problems 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, example 4, what is given? PQ parallel to RS. We have to prove triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. So here, to prove the similarity, we have the three criteria. What are they? Angle, 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 or angle, angle, side, 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 angle, side. So these criteria we proved in the previous videos. So if you haven't seen the videos, just check the link which is in the description box. So all the theorems we have proved already. So this is AAA criteria. That is, if three angles are equal, then we have this criteria. By AAA criteria, triangles will be similar. Or if just two angles are equal, then also triangles will be similar. If three sides, corresponding sides are proportional, then we can say the triangles are similar. Or two sides are proportional and corresponding angle is equal, then by SAS criteria, we can say triangles are similar. Now, check this figure. Nothing is said about sides or angles. So how do we apply this criteria? So what is said? An important thing, PQ parallel to RS. This is given. So we know in 9th standard, if two lines are parallel and this is the transversal line, we know an important result. Alternate interior angles are equal. So this can also be said as if these two lines are parallel and this transversal line is in this way, then this alternate interior angles are equal. So this we have proved. Also we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So this angle O is the common. POQ is OR is equal. So what is this? PS is the transversal line. So if PS is the transversal line, then we have this angle P will be equal to angle X because alternate interior angles are equal. Suppose QR is the transversal line. Then what will happen? Angle Q will be equal to angle R. So because alternate interior angles are equal. So what we got? Three angles are equal. Then automatically this triangle POQ and this triangle SOR will be similar. That's all easy. So let me write the solution. So what is given? PQ parallel to RS. So then we have angle P equal to angle S. Also angle Q will be equal to angle R. So these both are by alternate interior angles are equal. So next which one? Angle POQ. So if we write angle POQ, here in the center part there will be O. So it is angle O on both the sides. So you should write, if this is P, angle P is equal to angle S. So write that S here. If it is Q here, angle Q is equal to angle R. So write R in this place. So this is the order you have to write. So angle POQ is equal to angle SOR. Why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is the reason. So what happens? Three corresponding angles are equal. So we can say by AAA criteria, triangle POQ similar to triangle. If I write P here, I should write the corresponding angle. Yes. O is common, so write O. For Q, corresponding angle is R. Yes, OR. So this is the way you have to write the name of the triangle. So triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Okay, I hope this is very easy. So moving on to the next example. Example 5. From the given figure, find angle P. So observe the triangles ABC and triangle PQR. So in triangle ABC, information about three sides are given and two angles are given. In triangle PQR, all three sides are given. So that is in both the triangles, we have information about all three sides. So, if we prove the similarity by yes, 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 because side, 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 all three sides are proportional, then we have this triangle will be similar to this triangle. Okay, so here angles are given. So, if these two triangles are similar, then their angles will be proportional. So, by that is angles will be equal. So if it is so, then we can find out the angle P. So let us proceed. So we are going to use the criteria. Which criteria? Yes, yes, yes. Because all three sides are given. Now, first sort out the numbers by descending order. So which is the biggest number in this triangle ABC? This one. So this is the first biggest. So next biggest is 3.8. So next biggest is 3 root 3. What about in this PQR? So 12 is the first biggest. 7.6 is the second biggest. 6 root 3 is the third biggest. So we have sorted the sides by descending order. So in this order, we have to write the proportionality. So now let us take the big number. So which is big here? BC. So BC divided by here BC. How to write this 12? 12 is in PQ. So we should write PQ or QP. B. So B lies between 2 and 1. So 4 lies between 2 and 1. It is Q. So you should write Q, not P. So Q and C. C lies between 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. So it is P. So BC by QP. What is BC? It is 6. QP is 12. So 1 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. So next I am going to take AB. Okay. So AB. So AB, BC, C. So I am going to take AB. Why should I take AB? So because next biggest is AB, 3.8. So AB. So where is that? So here in PQR, it is QR or RQ. So how to write QR or RQ? So R lies between 3 and 2. So here I took AB. So A lies between 2 and 3. So 4 lies between 2 and 3. 2 and 3, it is R. So it is R. B. So B lies between 2 and 1. So here Q lies between 2 and 1. So I should write RQ. So what is AB? AB is 3.8. What is RQ? RQ is 7.6. So in numerator we have decimal places. The decimal is before one number. So multiply with 10 because we should have 1 0. So if it is before one decimal, you should have 1 0. So you will get 38 by 76. So 1 38s are 38, 2 38s are 76. So next AB, BC, I am going to take CA. CA is the next big number. So CA. So where is C? C lies between 1 and 3. So here this is the line. This line is the in third place. So C is in 1 and 3. So who lies between 1 and 3? P. Okay. So next A. A lies between 2 and 3. So who lies between 2 and 3? R. So it is PR. Okay. So CA by PR. What is CA? CA is 3 root 3. PR. PR is 6 root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. So it will be 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So all the ratios are 1 by 2. So we have AB by RQ is equal to BC by QP is equal to CA by PR. So what happens? This implies by SSS criteria we have triangle. I am starting with A. Okay, so if I start with A, here AB. So write AB similar to which triangle? So AB corresponding is RQ. So here you write RQ. Next C. So BC. So BC is QP. So Q is already there, right? P. So this is the order in which you have to write the triangle names. So we have triangle ABC similar to triangle RQP. So if this is so, what happens? Their angles, corresponding angles will be equal. So what are the corresponding angles? Angle A will be equal to angle R. Angle A will be equal to angle R. Angle B will be equal to angle Q. Angle C will be equal to angle P. So which one we have to find? We have to find out angle P. So this angle is the question mark. So it is equivalent to angle C. So consider the triangle ABC. What is given? Two angles are given. What do you know about the triangles? Sum of the angles equal to 180 degree. So let me write here. In triangle ABC, sum of the angles equal to 180 degree. So what are all given? 60 plus 80 plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Then angle C will be equal to 180 degree. If we take here, it will become negative. Minus 60 minus 80. So the answer will be 40 degree. So if you subtract the values, it is 40 degree. So angle C is equal to 40 degree. So but angle C is equal to angle P. So what happens? Then angle P will be equal to 40 degree. Okay. Okay children, can you understand? So just listen carefully. You can understand this example very easy. Okay. So let me move on to the next example. What is given? Given OA dot OB is equal to OC dot OD. Show that angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B. So here what is given? OA dot OB equal to OC dot OD. So we have to prove some angles are equal. So if we show the similarity, automatically their corresponding angles will be equal. How to show the similarity? So we have four criteria: AAA, AA, SSS, SAS. So by this, we will get some criteria for side. Okay. So then if we prove some angles equal, then we can use side criteria to prove the similarity. Okay. So just I am changing this. OA is here. I am bringing this OC down. So OA by OC here, keeping this OD here. OB is in multiplication. Bringing on other side, it will become division. So we have OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. Okay, so two sides are proportional. What happens to this angle? This is nothing but vertically opposite angles. So we have vertically opposite angles are equal. So we can write AOD is equal to angle AO. Then it is CO. So COD. So its corresponding is B. Okay. So AO CO. Okay. So I wrote instead of AO, it is CO. So D is here. Corresponding to D, it is B. So COB. So this is because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, children. Now what we have? Two sides are proportional and an angle is equal. So then by SAS criteria, we have triangle AO. We have to write similar. Okay. AO. For AO, what we have? CO. CO. Next one is remaining is B. So for B, not B, I'm sorry, it is D. Okay, so triangle AOD. So for D, its corresponding value is B. So we have triangle AOD similar to triangle COB. So if this is similar, their corresponding angles will be equal. What is their corresponding angle? This is nothing but angle A will be equal to, for A it is corresponding is C. Angle A is equal to angle C. For O it is both common. For D, angle D will be equal to angle B. So this is the reason corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Okay children, can you understand? So this is very easy. So moving on to example 7, which is an important example. So what is that? A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So this is one of the important problem. So here what is given? A girl. So a girl is standing here, height of 90 centimeter, is walking away from the base of a lamp post. So AB is the lamp post. Okay. So AB is the lamp post. CD is the girl. Both are standing vertical. Okay. So what is given? This girl is walking away from the base. So this is the base. Base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So speed is 1.2 meter per second. So if the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground. So this height of the lamp is 3.6 meter. Okay. So now let us convert this into a proper triangles. So this is the lamp AB. Lamp AB. So there is some distance traveling. Okay. So where is the girl? The girl is here at D. C, D is the girl. Okay. So AB, what is AB? If the lamp is 3.6 meter. So AB is 3.6 meter. So AB is 3.6 meter. So CD is the height of the girl. So height of the girl is 90 centimeter. Here everything is in meters. So let us convert 90 centimeter to meter. So 90 centimeter, if you want to convert to meter, just divide by 100. So zeros gets cancelled. So 9 by 10 is 0.9 meter. So CD is 0.9 meter. Understood? Now, lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of a shadow after 4 seconds. So in the figure, if you observe that the shadow is in DE. So just join here. Okay. So this is the shadow DE which we have to find out. Okay. So now what are all given? AB is equal to 3.6 meter. CD is equal to 0.9 meter. Speed is equal to 1.2 meter per second. So this girl is traveling at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So per second she is traveling 1.2 meter. So we have to find out the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So after 4 seconds, she will reach at the point D and the shadow will fall down, which is the distance DE, which we have to find out. So we have to find out the distance DE, which is the shadow. Now we should know BD. So BD is the nothing but distance traveled by this girl. So we know speed is equal to distance by time. What is the time? Time is equal to 4 seconds. So time is equal to 4 seconds. So speed is 1.2. What is the distance travel? It is BD divided by what is the time taken? It is 4. So BD is equal to nothing but you have to cross multiply. 1.2 into 4, which is 4.8 meters. Okay. Everything we converted to meters. So it is BD is equal to 4.8 meters. So these are the things we found. Now we have to prove the similarity. Why? So if we prove the similarity, we can get some sides will be equal. So what we can find out by the proportionality, we can find out the side DE. Okay, so first let us prove the triangles ABE. Okay, so bigger triangle ABE and another triangle CDE. So CDE. So this is AB is the lamp post and CD is the girl. So consider these two triangles. What are the things we have? So we have this angle B. So this is the lamp post standing vertically. CD is the girl standing vertically. So both will be standing vertically. So angle B will be equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. As they are standing vertically, this angle will be 90 degree. So what about E? E is the common angle. So angle E is equal to angle E. This is common angle. So if two angles are equal, then we can say by AA criteria, triangles will be similar. Now how to write the triangle names? Okay. So what we have? For B, we have D. Okay. So if I start from B, I should write D. So if I start from A, suppose we usually start from A. So A, so we don't know the corresponding name for A. So remaining is B, E. So write B, E. So for B, the corresponding angle is D. So for A, leave a space. For B, corresponding angle is D and E is common. So DE. So DE. Which one is remaining? C. So it is CDE. So this is the way you have to write the name of the triangle. So just once again I will explain. So triangle, we don't know which is the angle for A. So just write A and leave a space. Then I am going to write B. A, B, E. So for angle B, the corresponding angle is D. So it is D. E is common. So write E for both. In the first place, the remaining. What is remaining in this? It is C. So it is angle, not angle, triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE. So if it is similar, what we have there? Sides will be proportional. So how we can write the sides? So how do we write the sides? So let us take BE. So BE is the base. BE. So if I take BE, its corresponding side is DE. So BE by DE will be equal to, so what is the next side? So let me take AB. So if I take AB, for AB, its corresponding side is CD. AB by CD. Another one is AE. Okay, so AB, BE, you can take EA. So if I take EA, what is the corresponding side? EA. So EA is EC. Okay, EC. So we doesn't know anything about AE and CE. So we don't know the values of AE and CE. So this is not needed. Okay. So just take BE by D is equal to AB by CD. What is BE? BE is the length. So BE is nothing but BD plus D. So if you observe the figure, BE is nothing but BD plus DE divided by DE, which is equal to AB by CD. What is AB? AB is 3.6. What is CD? It is 0.9. Okay, so we don't know about DE, which we have to find out. So BD plus DE divided by DE is equal to, so you just multiply by 10 on up and down. So usually in maths, it is not a magic, it is just logic. So if a decimal is before one number, we should have 1 0. Okay, 1 0. So if the decimal is before two numbers, we should multiply by 2 zeros, 1 0 0. So here it is before one decimal. So we have to multiply by 10. So if you multiply by 10, we will get 36 by 9, which is 4. Okay, 36 by 9 is 4. On the other side, we have BD plus DE divided by DE is equal to 4. Just remember this. We will move on to the next page to solve this. Okay. So far we had this BD plus DE divided by DE equal to 4. Okay. So far what we have done, I have written here. So at last we have BD plus DE divided by DE is equal to 4. So just cross multiply. BD plus DE will be equal to 4DE. Okay. So now take this DE to one side. So what is BD? BD is nothing but, what is the distance of BD? Did we find? So BD is nothing but 4.8. Okay. So 4.8 plus DE equal to 4D. So I am taking this DE to right side. So it will be 4.8 equal to 4DE minus D. Plus will become minus when we change the sign. So it is 3DE is equal to 4.8. So this is same as 3DE is equal to 4.8. So just I am changing left and right. Okay. So 3D is equal to 4.8. So DE will be equal to 4.8 divided by 3. So if the decimal is only in numerator, no need to multiply by 10. So just divide by 3. So 1 3s are 3. Balance will be 1. So keep a decimal. So 6 3s are 18. So distance DE is equal to 1.6 meter. So the length of her shadow after 4 seconds is 1.6 meter. Okay, children, can you understand? So moving on to the last problem of this session, example 8. Example 8 is also an important problem. So what is given? CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, we have to prove that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Then this ratio CM by RN equal to AB by PQ. And third one is triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ. So let us see what all given. So this is important. So what is given? CM and RN are medians. So CM is median. So CM is the median means M will be the midpoint of AB. Okay. So M is the midpoint of AB. So if M is the midpoint, this M divides AB into two equal halves. So this AM length and MB length will be equal. That is, this implies AM will be equal to MB. Okay, so now let us consider AB. So AB is nothing but AM plus MB. AM plus MB. Okay, so AM and MB are equal. So instead of MB, we can write AM. So which is equal to 2 times AM. So AB will be equal to 2 times AM. Or, okay, so AB is equal to AM plus MB. So as they are equal, instead of AM, we can write MB. So both are equal. MB plus MB. So which is equal to 2 times MB. So AB will be equal to 2 times AM or 2 times MB. Okay. So just remember this. In the same way, we have RN. So RN is the median. So if Rn is the median, N will be the midpoint of PQ. So if N is the midpoint, then N divides PQ into two equal halves. So length of PN will be equal to length of NQ. So in the same way, PQ can be written as 2 times PN or 2 times NQ. Okay. So these are the things we know about medians. So next, what is given? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so this is given. So if this is similar, then their corresponding sides will be proportional and their angles will be equal. So what are their corresponding sides? AB by PQ. So AB by PQ will be equal to, if I take BC, I should take QR. So BC by QR will be equal to, if I take CA, I should take RP. So CA by RP. Their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles. Angle A will be equal to angle P. Then angle B will be equal to angle Q. And angle C will be equal to angle R. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. So these are the things we know from the similarity. Now, first part. What is the first part? We have to prove the triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. So this is the triangle. Okay. So what we have from 1. So from 1, we are going to choose the ratios that suits for these triangles AMC and PNR. So AB by PQ. So we need AM. So AM is present in AB. So I am going to choose AB by PQ. BC by QR is not in this triangle. CA by RP is present. So I am going to choose AB by PQ and CA by RP. So this is from 1 which I have written here. Okay. So already from the median we have AB is equal to 2 times AM. I am going to use AM because AM is present in this triangle. So AB is nothing but 2 times AM. PQ. So what is PQ? PQ is nothing but 2 times PN because N is the median. So 2 times PN which is equal to CA by RP. So 2 gets cancelled. So we get AM by PN equal to CA by RP. So what we got? We got 2 corresponding sides are proportional. Now if we prove an angle equal, then we will, by SAS criteria, we can prove the similarity. So already we know that angle A is equal to angle P. By the similarity triangles ABC and PQR, we have angle A is equal to angle P. So this can be written as MAC. So angle MAC is equal to angle NPR. Okay. So angle A is equal to angle NPR. Okay. So this is from the given similarity, we got angle A is equal to angle P. So this angle can also be written in this way. MAC are same as BAC. Okay. So angle MAC is equal to angle NPR. So what happened? Two sides are proportional and the angle is equal. So then by SAS side angle side criteria we have triangle. Which triangle? What ratio we got? AM by PN. So they gave AMC. So write that AMC will be similar to triangle. For AM, what is the corresponding side? PN. So for AM, the corresponding side is PN. For C, so C corresponding side is R. So PNR. So we got this first part. So second part will prove in the next page. So what is the second part? We have to prove CM by RN equal to AB by PQ. So far we have this. So since these triangles are similar, we have this ratio. So this ratio is, we named it as 1. So we should prove this CM by RN equal to AB by PQ. So already in the before page, we have proved what we have proved. First part, what is that? Triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. So if this is similar, their corresponding sides will be proportional. So we have CM by RN. So let me choose this CM. Okay, so CM. So for this CM, what is the corresponding side? RN. So CM by RN, we have to prove AB. So we don't have AB here. So let me use CA. So CA. So if I choose CA, its corresponding side is RP. So why did I choose CA by RP? It is present in this first part. Okay. So already we have proved that CA by RP is equal to AB by PQ. So from 1, I can write CA by RP is equal to AB by PQ. Okay, so this is from 1. So this is 3. Already 2 is in the previous page. So if you compare this 3 and 4, CA by RP is equal to CM by RM. Here CA by RP is equal to AB by PQ. So what we get? From 3 and 4, we have CA by RP equal to CM by RN. From 4 we have CA by RP is equal to AB by PQ. Then CM by RN will be equal to AB by PQ. Okay. I think we have proved the second part. Yes. So we have proved the first part and second part. So last one is this triangle. Triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ. So in the same way we have proved the first part, we can prove this. So what we have to choose? We have to choose the ratios from 1. So what are all the things present here? MB. So MB is present in AB. So I am going to choose AB. So AB by PQ is equal to, we have BC by QR. Okay, so we have BC and QR in this triangle. So I am going to choose BC by QR. So already we have proved that from the medians we have AB is equal to 2 times MB. In the same way, PN is equal to 2 times NQ. So because M and N are medians of AB and PQ. So instead of AB, we can write 2MB. In the same way, instead of PQ, not Pn, PQ. Okay. So PQ is equal to 2 times NQ. So instead of PQ, we can write 2NQ, which is equal to BC by QR. So 2 gets cancelled. We have MB divided by NQ equal to BC by QR. Okay. So we have two ratios. MB by NQ is equal to BC by QR. So two corresponding sides are proportional. So if we have one angle equal, then in the same way we have proved one, we can prove by SAS criteria. So which angle we can choose? So by this similarity, we have angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B will be equal to angle Q. So in the second point, so let me show the previous page. We got angle B equal to angle Q. So we are going to use this concept. Okay. So angle B is equal to angle Q. So this can be written as angle MBC in this triangle. So angle MBC will be equal to angle NQR. Angle NQR. Okay. So this is from 2 in the previous page. So we have two sides proportional and an angle equal. Then by SAS criteria, what we can say? Which triangle? Triangle CMB. So write triangle CMB. So where is CM? So C for corresponding C, we have C here. For C, its corresponding point is R. So it's similar to triangle R. What is MB? For MB, the corresponding side is NQ. So R, NQ. So we got this. Okay. So triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ. So we have proved the third part also. Okay. Okay, children, I hope you can understand all the examples. So if you like the video, just comment me, share and like the video. Okay. Also subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.